would be good. ఫ్యాన్ ఉంచండి పర్లేదు, మేబీ షేక్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఆ చివరి లైట్ అయింది పర్లేదు. గుడ్ గుడ్ గుడ్. యా గుడ్, లెట్ us start. Online team, can you hear me? Let me create a running notes. NLP. Yeah. Sir, I'm sure NLP basics and fundamentals you should have an idea. No exception in that. Even like a machine learning, how would you have a steps? NLP also having a steps. I will tell you, hold on. So simple. If you're having kind of some structured data, what data, sir? Structured data, especially kind of some structured data. The structured data can be kind of some numbers. What exactly? Numbers. Then definitely you need machine learning. You need what exactly? We need to choose machine learning to create a model. To create what exactly, sir? Model. If you're having unstructured data, if you're having what exactly, sir? Structured unstructured data, then especially kind of some images, kind of what exactly? Images. Then for sure DL works very well. Which one, sir? But let me tell you, when you're talking about the deep learning, it works with structured data, it works with unstructured data, it works with semi-structured data. Any type of data, it will work actually. Now the third one is I have a text data. I have what data actually? Text data. Sir, if you're having text data, then there is only one solution. That solution is called as a, I do have a data. I do have data. That data will be kind of some text data. That text can be anything like a blog, novels, a kind of some books actually. All my PDFs contains what exactly? Text data, right? Now definitely NLP is required. What is required? Please understand, when you're talking about the text data, good. So sometimes like a numerical analysis, how we have done kind of some handling missing value, for text data also we need to clean the data. We need to clean what exactly? Data. What do you mean by cleaning actually? The text data can contain symbols. The text data can contain what exactly? Symbols. We need to remove the symbols actually. The text data may contain some special characters, special characters actually. And text data may contain some extra spaces. These are all things we need to delete. And there are some not used words, kind of some, unused words actually. Unused words. These are all things we need to delete. Once you done these are all things, the next one is predicting the next word. Predicting what exactly, sir? Next word. Yesterday I was searching for one website, right? I got it. Let me repeat one more time. I'm telling one more time. Best example, text data also we need to perform cleaning operation. What operation, sir? What do you mean by cleaning operation? The text data may contain some extra symbols, some special symbols, spaces, either front and back actually, that we need to delete. And when you're talking about the text data, tokenization is required. There are two types of tokenization. First one is sentence, second one is word tokenization. And not only this, unused words. Unused words would you have that we need to delete actually. Once you done these are all steps, then the next one is what is the next word prediction? Next word prediction actually. Good. Let me show you the website name. Completely the backend ChatGPT is doing this one, sir. Oh, yeah. I thought it's gone again actually. This is really very good website. Generative AI exists because of the transformer. Let me tell you, when you're talking about the generative AI, let me tell you, Pandas backbone is what exactly? Data frame. NumPy backbone is array. Same thing like that. If anyone is talking about the generative AI, Only one topic is the backend. The topic name is called as a transformer. What is the topic name? Not current transformer. This is the topic actually. Backend algorithm. Backend what exactly? Algorithm. Good. Now please look at my screen and let us spend some time actually. Good. Now please observe here. Please understand what is going. You no need to read these are all things, but I'm looking for yeah. We go to the work by train. Read everyone this sentence. We go to work by train actually. Sir, what exactly happened? Whenever you are giving this kind of sentence, especially to the NLP model, first NLP model, what it will do, it will cut each and every word actually. A kind of some word tokenization. What exactly happened? Look at my screen. Automatically, the words are being getting splitting actually. Words are being getting what exactly? Splitting. Good. Now, I have one more question. In the given sentence, what is the main important word, that it will recognize? In the given sentence, the main important word is a work actually. What is that one, sir? Am I right or not? Good. Now it will give the some kind of some number actually. Yeah. So these are all called as a tokens. What is this one? Yesterday, what we done is called as a tokenization. Two types of tokenization. First one is a sentence tokenization. Next one is a word tokenization. Now, please observe here. So in the given sentence, it will recognize which word is the very good word, which word is the very high importance word, which word having the very good highest score actually, work having the highest score. NLP models, it will provide automatically that score actually. You don't need to be worried. Right. Now, sir, whenever you are typing, we go to work. We go to what exactly? Work. If you stop the sentence, then automatically the next words it will do the prediction automatically. How it will do the prediction, back end the transformer will come, will take this word actually, it will try to fit for these are all things. Okay, kindly please observe here. Down to work in office, roof of the office, his hard work. Did you notice? Are you getting everyone? I mean to say that by taking that word, what are all sentences can fit for that word, NLP models takes care actually. Did you understand, sir? I need a response actually. Good. I hope you understand. Like it will compare which sentence for fit for exactly the given sentence actually. Then it will do keep on like this. It's a kind of these are all NLP techniques, sir. In NLP, we can do these are all things. I mean, for the word, what are all words it can be fit actually. We'll see. We'll see this kind of model. Don't worry. This is enough till now. Tokenization we done, right? Yeah. For every word, it will get automatically score actually. Sir, this is completely Gen AI, generate generative AI actually. Backend it will do, right? So if you want, you can take this URL online team. Let me help you. Just try to play with that link. You will understand. Good. All right. Let's continue. Introduction we done. Text triangling and cleaning we are doing. Am I right? Yeah. Good. Are you able to install NLTK? Okay. Then now let's move on. Text triangling. We done sentence cleaning actually, sentence splitting also, tokenization, word tokenization, stemming also we done. Next one is what exactly? Lemmatization. Are we done this? Okay. This example I can cover later in upcoming actually. Now lemmatization. Lemmatization is a very powerful rather than stemming topic actually. Simple. The purpose of lemmatization is get the root word. Get what exactly, sir? Like a previous sentence, the root word is a verb. Previous sentence, the root word is what exactly? Work. For every given sentence, there is a main word actually. Stop word removal. There are few scenarios. Sir, this is important. Please look at my screen, everyone. Look at my screen. So the topic name is called as a stop word removal. What is the topic name? Stop word removal. Good. Now let me take hello. Good morning. Hello, what exactly? Good morning. How are you? How are you? Did you remember? Let me go back. I hope you remembered. If you didn't remember also, let me go for data visualization, sir. Pot number 2. And especially the last example. Come on. Look at my screen. You will understand. Read everyone. What is it? what is the topic name? Read everyone. Stop word removal. Come on, read everyone. Stop word removal. What do you mean by stop word? Let me tell you. To understand this one, let me take the previous topic. Go to the last example, sir. Word cloud actually. Word cloud. And we'll run this example. Anyway, the same topic in NLP you are going to discuss. Please look at my screen. Yeah, good. So come on here, what we'll do, here we can add data word. What word, sir? Data word, data word, data word. Next one is the Python. Next one is the Python. Again, data word. Next one, hello, good evening, good evening. Next one is the how are you? Next one is what exactly? How are you? Can you please read the sentence, everyone? Almost three times data word would you have? Come on, look at my screen. Almost three times data word would you have? Next, how many times? Two words Python. Again, data word. Read the last sentence. Hello, good evening, how are you? Let us plot this one. Save this example by using word cloud actually. By using word cloud. Let us plot this one. Sir, I hope you know almost the data word is four times is available. Python two times is available. Then last two sentence read everyone. Hello, good evening, how are you? Last word read one more time. Hello, good evening. Let me just try to plot this one. Do let me know what are all words would you have actually. First of all, what exactly happened, backend? Exactly it is applied tokenization, especially word tokenization. What tokenization, sir? Word tokenization. Please observe data is would you have means the data word came more number of times data. Next one is the Python. Next one is hello. Next one is good evening. What is the last sentence? Sir, that word is not available. I mean to say that in the given sentence, that word cannot perform any, what I can say, meaning actually. I mean, automatically NLP can remove unnecessary words. You can think, do you think that is unnecessary? I will show you the technique actually. Did you understand? I mean, NLP technique automatically will remove stop words. What is that one? Stop words. Did you understand? Right, good. Now let me show you how it is removing in the backend. If you want, you can rerun this example. First of all, did you understand what I'm telling? This is the data science session, sir. Please. Yeah, data. Come on. Yeah, I heard actually. Someone is saying something. Let's move on. Good. Now, kindly please observe here. Here you need to understand there are some common words that are present in the text but do not contribute in the meaning of any sentence actually. There are few words that cannot contribute any meaning in the sentence. But I will read this theory. Hold on. Let us just try to list out what are all stop words. And first of all, you need to list out how many stop words would we have. Nothing. So just you need to import so and so specific attribute actually. By using that attribute, we need to call a words of English. Then you can get the results, sir. Come on, let us just try to work on this one. Here you can come here and we are importing the module. By using that module, we are calling words. Now get ready. Sir, these are all, if anyone is talking about any sentence actually, so these are all not much meaningful. It is list out actually. Come on, look at my screen. What is the first letter? Talk with me. First one is a I. Best example, Narendra Modi. You know what? Especially, sir, general journalist, they can use kind of some handwriting. I don't know, I forget that. I'm sorry. Telugulo lipi రాయడం అంటారు కదా. So whenever if speaker is talking long sentences, they will make it very shorthand actually. Do you know the meaning of shorthand? If you don't know, let me tell you. If you are explaining like one paragraph actually, journalist what they will do, they will simply write 2 to 3 lines actually. Then later they can wrap up that words actually. Conclusion of the story, whenever you're talking about I am a Daniel word is important, I am not important actually. Did you understand, sir? Right, that is a stop word. Next word is what exactly? Me. Next word is my. Next word is myself. These are all stop words, man. These are all what exactly? Stop words. Can we list out how many? How to list out? Come again. Very good. You can just try to come here. We can find out. Print off, length of. Yeah. Sir, there are 170. How many actually? Talk with me. 179. But in olden days, it was very less actually. Maybe the NLP library got updated actually. Kindly please observe here. Now, yeah, look at my screen. It, how many languages would you have? Stop words dot file IDs actually. These are all different languages you are going to get. And currently, NLP can handle stop word removal topic out of 29 languages, sir. How many languages actually? When I was preparing this document 29, let me cross verify is anything updated actually. Take this example. Uh, Page number 13 to 14. In the stop word removal, there is a damn sure interview question, sir. There is a very, very important interview question. I will show you. Kindly please look at my screen. Kindly please look at my screen. Let me run this one. What exactly we are doing, from this example, we are importing so-and-so module and we are calling file IDs actually. Then how many languages would you have? That languages we are listing out. When I was preparing this material 29, but nowadays, is anything updated? 29 only. Maybe recent for previous batch I might be updated. All right, good. Let's move on. Now the next one is a lemmatization topic. What is the topic name, sir? Lemmatization topic. Now kindly please observe here. Before applying these stop words, come on, look at my screen. Before applying these stop words, what we need to do, the very first point will be apply that word tokenization. What we need to apply, sir? Word tokenization. Once you apply the word tokenization, then you can proceed for what exactly, proceed for stop word removal. Stop word what exactly? Removal actually. And can I show you how to do this one? Are you ready? Come on, let me show you. Look at my screen, sir. Let us take A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. B equals to 10, 20, 50, 60, 70. 50, 60, and what exactly? 70. And I'm expecting my result should be, look at my screen, my result should be only 50, 60, 70. Understand the scenario first of all. There is a two lists actually. First list is a 10, 20, 30, 40. First list is what exactly? 10, 20, 30, 40. Here also if you want you can take, all values actually, respectively something like this. Now, A having 10 to 40, B having as it is 10 to 40. Apart from that, how many extra words, extra numbers it is having? 3 numbers. What exactly we are doing, whenever I'm taking this value, I'm trying to comparing if this value is available instead of this A, I don't want to print. I don't want to print actually. Did you understand the logic? Let me repeat one more time. Simple, sir. I'm trying to iterating B. I'm trying to iterating what exactly? B. What is the first value? 10. Talk with me. 10. Then this value is available. If this value is available in the word list actually, I don't want to print, sir. Then if it is available, no, it is available, it is available. Is it available? I wanted to print. Then we can build this logic actually. How to build this logic, Look at my screen very clearly. Do you think directly printing result actually? No, sir. P1, P2, P3. Did you remember? What is this one? Any idea? List comparison. Come on. For value in, talk with me, B. For value in what exactly? B actually. Good. If value not in A, did you understand? For value in B, it is okay. If value not in A, then what exactly? Print value. What exactly, sir? Print value. Come on, you can just try to print this logic. You need to understand this logic actually. During interview, this kind of question, exactly this kind of question they will ask actually. Look at my screen. What exactly we are doing, For value in B, okay? We are trying to capturing the value from B, okay? Here, 10 is available. What is available? If 10 not in A, 10 what exactly, sir? Are you boss? If it is not in A available, then if not in A, then only print actually. Let us go for 50 value. What value, sir? Okay, 50 value. If 50 not in A, not available, then you can print actually. You can what exactly? Print. Did you understand? I hope you understand, right? Now good. Let me explain one more example so that you will get a clear picture. Get ready. First one names one. A. Next one B. Next one C, sir. Names two. As it is DEF. Now I need your help actually. I hope you already know how to do this. E. Tell me. Result equals to, you're laughing, right? Hey, we know these are all things, something like this. Come on, sir, talk with me. For value in, sorry, not value. Name in names. Very good. And now name if name in not. Talk with me. Yeah, yeah. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, please. Not in names one. Very good. Then what I need to print, sir? This name I need to print. That's it. Result accurate. Did you understand? Now, if you understand, let me explain the logic. What exactly we are doing, we are trying to storing all stop words in one list actually. All stop words in what exactly? One list. And the given sentence, what we have taken, we are going to take all words actually. Now, if it is not available in stop word, then I wanted to print that word actually. That logic I'm trying to build. Did you understand? If you didn't understand, kindly please walk through, sir. Names one is not defined. Did you mean name? What happened? Names. Yeah, yeah. Names one. Take this example. You need to practice. Now get ready. Let me show you the example. Online team, are you following, sir? Sir, till now I thought you are the Srikanth. What is your name? Prashant. Oh, sorry, sir. Till yesterday you attended online, right? Yeah, yeah. I thought you are the Prashant, the Srikanth actually. Then okay, okay. My prediction went wrong actually. Good. Now please observe here. Come on, look at my screen. So simple. We are importing so and so required libraries actually. Get ready. We are importing so and so required libraries. Then look at my screen. So yeah, it is getting executing. We're supposed to get this one. If it is not getting, you have to upgrade your package. You have to upgrade your package, like pip install upgrade. Then let us, what exactly we are doing? Hey, from English actually, I just wanted to I wanted to store all stop words in one list actually. All stop words in one list. Come on, let's take this one. Good, very good. And do you wanted to print? What you wanted to print, sir? Tell me. My list. My list. Yeah, exactly. These are all stop words, man. These are all what exactly? Stop words actually. Control F. How that word is not that much important whenever you're talking about your friend, or that is just a formal word, sir. You. That's what. How are you? Didn't print actually. Hide and seek game. Exactly. Where that you what is available. It's okay. I hope you understand. These are all stop words we are printing actually. Now let us take. This is really good. How are you doing? We are taking one small sentence. What is that sentence actually? Tell me. This is really good. How are you doing? Assuming that there are two friends. They met in a theater actually. They done movie watching. Now somebody is telling this is really good. How are you doing? Now let's take this sentence. Once we have taken this sentence, I hope you know how to split the data. How to split what exactly, sir? Data. I'm sure you know very well. I would like to say, come on, sir. I need a help from you actually. Part number one. Next one is part number two. In list comparison, execution always starts from for word in. Talk with me, sir. Yeah. What is this one? Dot split actually. Dot what exactly? Split. Are you getting? Otherwise, if you want to directly, you can apply split also. You can get list of words. You can get what exactly? List of words. Both are fine. You can just try to take this one. Here you can apply split actually. Anything is fine, sir. Now you can just try to print this one. Yeah, we are getting, this is really good. How are you doing actually? Get ready. Now I have a two questions. Already stop words list would you have? Then word tokenization would you have? What would you have? Word tokenization would you have? Move on to the next example. Yeah, sir, please observe here. Now what exactly we are doing, for word in line, yeah, splitting we already done actually. If word not in stop word, did you understand? If word not in what exactly? Stop word, then I wanted to print that word actually. I wanted to print what exactly? That word. Did you understand? Good. And I need your help. Come on. You can just try to get here result actually. Result equals to. From this one, let us iterate each and every word. P1, P2. If you didn't understand, do let me know. For word in, talk with me, sir. Yeah. Here I need a logic actually. How I need to implement? If word, come again, not in, where exactly? Nice man, you understand. Now then what I need to do? Print that word. What I need to do? Print that word. Sir, now finally, let me just try to print. What I need to print, let me print this line. Hold on. And let me print the result actually. Let me print what exactly? The result. Now look at my screen, everyone. First of all, what is the given sentence? Talk with me. The given sentence is what exactly? This is really good. How are you doing? Sir, in the given sentence, if you're talking with the robo actually, and first of all, these are all stop words. These are all what exactly? It will remove automatically. And what are all important words? This is also not important. Really good. This really good actually. Guys, are you getting or not, sir? I need a response from you. If you want, you can just try to come here. Daniel is teaching data science and eating banana. Just imagine. Now let us just try to apply this one. We'll see. Yeah, please observe here. Daniel word is important. Is gone. Stop word. What is that one? It is filtering. Sir, if you wanted to apply your own logic, takes a lot of time. Which word is a stop word, which word is a not stop word actually. You need to use this technique. And teaching, data, word important, science word is important, and word not important. Next one is what exactly? Eating banana. I hope you understand. Can I get a response? Good. Let's move on. Can I tell one thing? Sir, nothing is there, pure Python. Every time I will tell same thing actually. Same Sodhi, right? Yeah, yeah. You can't believe, sir. All upcoming technologies depends upon Python only. If tomorrow any new library is coming, I'm sure they should use Python. There is no option. They should use Python. Why? Because Python is that much flexible. You can implement very very easily actually. We done this one. I hope. Yeah, that's it. So these are all text triangling and cleaning actually. Hope you understand very clearly. Now you can just try to come here. Whenever you are having the text data, whenever you are having what exactly, sir? Text data. The very first one, what we need to apply, tokenization we need to apply, sir. What we need to apply? Tokenization. After you applied tokenization, two types. First one is what exactly? Sentence tokenization. Second one is what exactly? Word tokenization. Second one is what exactly? Word tokenization. Yeah. Immediately, the second point, what we need to apply, stop word removal. What is the second one? Stop word removal, actually. Stop word removal. There are few more points. We can remove the text. Remove what exactly? Text actually. Remove the unnecessary symbols. Remove what exactly? Unnecessary symbols. These are all things I will explain step by step. Did you understand? Yeah, good. We'll see. We'll see. Chat GPT, whenever you are giving any text, actually, any prompt or chat GPT, if you are giving any text, it will apply these techniques automatically. It will apply in backend these techniques automatically. These are all NLP techniques. So tomorrow we do have a session. Tomorrow we do have a session. I may take session till 7:30. Maybe 30 minutes I can extend actually. That is up to, we'll see. Either if you are really in comfort mode, I can extend actually. We'll see accordingly. Which one, sir? Evening only. Evening only, sir. Morning, I do have a session at Kokatpalli actually. Yeah, KBH I do have another session. All right. So let us continue. We done these are all things. Please practice. Replacing and correcting the words. Now get ready. Please understand this one. What is the topic name? Replacing and what exactly? Correcting. So replacing and correcting the words. It's a very simple, sir. Text conversions. First one is a converting, like uppercase to lowercase, lower to case to uppercase. Actually, there is no alternative. We have to directly go for string method. You have to directly go for what exactly? That is the best way. That is what exactly? Best way. Do I need to explain this example? Raise your hand, sir. How many want actually? Yeah. Now let me ask you a question. Upper is what? Method. How to prove that is a method? Okay. DIR is recognizing that method is available inside of the string actually, but how to prove that is a method? Very good. Very good, Mallikarjun. Let me show you. Take this one. You should have an idea. It is converting into uppercase. Very good. But now my requirement will be, I wanted to prove this is the method. This is what exactly? Method. Then just try to remove parenthesis. You can just try to print this one. Now it will tell, hello boss. First of all, built-in means predefined method. What is that method name? Upper. Where it is available? String. That point you need to understand. You should understand. If you are having any doubt, is it really functional method? Simple. You can just try to remove the parenthesis and you can print actually. Same thing like that. Print of print. Print of what exactly? Print. You can cross verify. See, sir, this is built-in function. What is the function name? Print. This is built-in method. What is the method name? Upper. Where it is available? String. Did you understand? Good. This is the practical proof. Move on to the next one. Yeah. We are converting lowercase to uppercase to lowercase actually, uppercase to lowercase. Now the next one. But let me tell you, whenever you are doing any kind of, whenever you are composing an email, you should not use uppercase words actually. You should not use in a company level, especially. We have to use always the proper case. Yeah. The next one is removing the numbers from the text. Important, sir. Important example. Now kindly please observe here. So first of all, there is a sentence. The sentence having the numbers actually 4 number, 6 number, 3 number, 5 number. My requirement will be removing the numbers from the text. I just wanted to remove the numbers. Simply, I wanted to cut the numbers actually. Then you can do this. In Python programming language, there is a one module. In Python programming language, there is a module OS module. OS means operating system. Same thing like that. There is a one module. Module name is a RE. What is that module name? RE means regular expression. What is RE, sir? Regular expression. There some predefined functions would you have. You can just try to apply the first of all, regular expression is a separate topic in Python. If you focus on small example, you can easy to understand, sir. First of all, let me take this sentence. Let me just try to take a text. So my name is Kusuma, working as data scientist. Getting 120k. Just imagine 120,000 dollars actually. Just imagine. Next one. My mobile number is so and so, and my age is 23. Just imagine, sir. Let me print this one text. Yeah. We have a few numbers. We have what exactly? Few numbers. What are numbers? So I would like to say 1,20,000. Next one is uh why it is. Hold on. Let me rerun. Yeah, kindly please observe here. There are three numbers. Number one, two, three. Now my requirement is I just wanted to delete these words, numbers. Otherwise, what we can do, sometimes we need to mask the numbers. What we need to do? Mobile number we can mask actually. By using regular expression, we can do. These are all things. How we can do, simple boss. First import the package. The package name is a RE. What is the package name, sir? RE. You can import that. It is a predefined package you no need to install. Like a pip install pandas. Same thing like that. Can I install pip install RE? No, it is a predefined. Like a OS module, RE module, these are all predefined. Time module, these are all predefined in a Python actually. Do you wanted to see? How to see all modules in Python? Any idea? Come again? Yeah, very good. And there are few members. Let me help them actually. Hey Daniel, are you sure? Can you please show me this package name actually? Let me show you that one first. Print off. There is a one function. Function name is a help actual. What is that function name? Instead of this help, you need to call one modules. We need to call. What we need to call? Modules. Now let me run this example. And okay, it takes some time, sir. Why? Because in my laptop, lot of modules I have installed actually. It takes some time. Kindly please hold on. If you wanted to see all modules what you have installed in your laptop, predefined module and user defined module, you need to run this command. Here help is a function. Help is what exactly? Help of in between double quotes you need to provide modules. What you need to provide? Modules. I will show you. Let me drink water. Some warning, sir. You can ignore. If it is not coming, gone case actual. You may not believe me. Let me continue. Once we are getting, we'll see how long time it takes, sir. Even I didn't run this since a long actual. Let me continue, sir. Yeah. Kindly please observe here. RE module somewhere it is available, sir. Please help me. RE module somewhere it is available. Where it is? Did you notice here it is available? Here it is available. Are you with me? In Python, all modules, predefined module, user defined module, pandas somewhere it is available. Cross verify. It should be available. Pandas. Hmm. Where exactly? Here. P. Yeah, exactly here. You are getting right. Good. Kindly please make a note this one. Is it important? No. But being a data scientist, you should have an idea. Take this example. Now we can just try to come here. Yeah. I have a question for you. By using RE module, we need to call something. What is that? Sub. Functional method. Yeah, sir, that is a module name. Something like a import pandas. Pandas dot what exactly? Read underscore CSV. When I head method, I feel something like actually. Yeah, good. Let's move on. RE dot sub. It's okay. Here R means raw string. R means what exactly? Raw string that you can keep it away as of now. Hey Daniel, can you please backward slash D means what exactly? Kindly please remove. From this string actually, kindly please remove the digits. D means what exactly? Digits actually. Good. Let me just try to. That too, it takes three parameters. First one, it is removing the digits at the same time. It is filling up with what exactly? Space. It is filling up with what exactly? Space actually. Let me take this one. Instead of here, what I need to provide, sir? Any idea? Text. But please observe here. Wherever number is available, it never matter actually. It will be removed automatically. Yeah. See, numbers deleted actually. Did you understand? Yeah. This is the way. Let me repeat one more time. Sir, this is the function. Hey Daniel, can you please explain? Sir, regular expression you need to walk through slowly by slowly. So nothing is there. What is a function? How that function works? Slowly by slowly you need to walk through. And R means raw string. I just wanted to delete, from this string, I just wanted to delete the numbers and I wanted to replace that number places. What exactly? Small space kind of thing. Okay. Take this one. Hey, can I replace with any other? You try actually. You guys can try. Then move on to the next one. Removing the punctuations. Removing what exactly? Punctuation. Sir, now let me explain small real-time scenario. Small real-time scenario. I hope everyone knows about Amazon, right? In Amazon, we can order items. We can order what exactly? Items. Whenever you're ordering any items, if you're using credit card, if you're using what exactly? Credit card. Tell me credit card having properties. What are the properties? Any idea? The first one is number. Next one is expiry date actually. Next one is CVV number. Next one is what exactly? CVV number. Sir, you know what? If any person, best example, whenever you are entering, these are all things actually from the Amazon, what they will do, whenever you're doing any transaction, backend there is a software name is a payment gateway. What is the software name, sir? Payment gateway actually. This payment gateway takes care about, it can mask all your details actually. And it will apply some encryption, description, it will mask actually. It will mask. Let me tell you, they will apply more secured techniques actually. If they didn't apply, what is the problem, the one who created this application, he know very well how to capture your details actually. Let me repeat one more time. You may not aware, but the one who created application, Amazon actually, suddenly after creating 1 year, small bug came, small issue came. Now definitely developer is required actually. A developer can debug, how they are storing the details. Even once this payment gateway masking actually, developer also cannot retrieve the data. Did you understand, sir? Good. That's what, the numbers they can mask actually. These are all web application, not required for you. The next one is punctuations. Look at my screen. Hello. There is some special words, special symbol, good morning, some special symbol. I wanted to remove all this symbol. I wanted to remove what exactly? All this symbol. Previously, we removed what exactly? Digits. Now, if you wanted to remove this one, nothing is there, sir. Cap symbol. What symbol? First of all, list of, and I'm sorry, extremely sorry. This is, we should not say list actually. Square bracket starting, square brackets closing. And here cap symbol WS means I need only words and space. I need only what exactly? Words and space actually. In a regular expression, this is the notation actually. And where are all other things are available, replace with the space actually. Good. Let me just try to take this. Hello. How are, take any symbol, sir. How are you? Now let me capture this result. Let me print input and output. Sir, you know what? If this function is not available, manually we need to apply a method. That method name is a is alpha method. What method? We need to cross verify. If it is not alpha, we need to filter actually. It takes a lot of time actually. That too painful task. Yeah, please observe here, sir. Very good. Automatically it is removing the, these are all, no matter what, whatever special symbol it is removing actually. Did you understand or not? Good. A small suggestion, if you wanted to understand this RE actually, you need to do small groundwork. What is a RE? How RE is working? Otherwise, I have a Python material. I can help you. How, what is RE? What is R? Can I help you? I have I mean, initially I used to teach Python actually. All chapter material I do have. You know, on an average 35 topics in a Python. Out of 35, I have filtered for the data science on an average 20. In generative AI, only 10 topics actual. In generative also, Python is required. Only 10 topics is required actual. What is RU module? How it is working? How it is? How it is working? I will share, sir. I will share actually. Let me share material. Our own material. Exception handling. These are all. We are very good in Python, sir. I hope you too actually. Am I right? Yeah. Come on, let's move on. Now the next one, removing the white spaces. Boss, this we know very well. How to remove the white spaces actually? Yeah, you can apply method name is a strip. There are few scenarios in a straight away you can go for what exactly? Yeah. Srinath, he came actually? He didn't came, right? Yesterday he asked one question, sir. What is the question, you know? Nice question. Yesterday, so much fun actually. But he asked such a nice question. Can somebody talk with me? From here, what exactly we are doing? We are removing the numbers. We are removing what exactly? Numbers actually. From this one, what we are doing? We are removing special symbol. We are removing what exactly? Special symbol. What Srinath asked a question, you know, sir, you know what? Srinath, he's a real-time working employee. He worked in almost, few years actually. Real-time scenarios he can ask. Now A equals to, let me talk with me, hello. Then if you wanted to convert into this one, hello, A dot upper method we need to call. What method we need to call? A dot upper method. His question will be, hey Daniel, why there is no method to remove something like a number? Am I right or not, sir? This is one scenario. The one who created Python, for him, it doesn't matter. It won't take much time. He can create a method actually. Even why there is no method, why there is no method to remove special symbol. To remove what exactly? Special symbol actually. Are you with me? Sir, you know what? The Python creator can create a method. Can create what exactly? Method. But let me tell you. As of now, imagine STR having the 10 methods, man. STR having what exactly? 10 methods. If we created a few more methods, on an average 100 methods will come. How many methods? Like this, best example, in a list, how many methods would you have, 11 methods. How many methods? All data frame methods also we can create in a list actually. Like this, if you are keep on adding all methods for requirement actually, Python will become heavyweight programming language. What exactly? Heavyweight actually. That's why what they done, for every separate, the common requirement they can kept inside of the class actually. And if it is really the very nice requirement, they made it like a separate module. That's what in a list would have 11 methods, but the same operations you can still perform with the data frame actually. Sir, are you with me? Are you getting or not? Such a nice question yesterday when he asked actually. All right, let's move on. I will share, sir. That's what I said. I will share. Good. Where are we? I'm sorry, I'm not running this example. Uppercase letter, lowercase letter, strip method. I'm not running actually. If yes letter, I have given capital letter. Very nice, man. Now the next one, parts of speech. It is also called as a POS actually. And now let's move on. What is the topic name? Tell me. I know. This is a little bit having some English, sir. Actually, first of all, I'm not English teacher. I know little bit English actually. Let me try to explain. The goal of POS is SNA. I mean, let me tell you. Best example, what exactly it is going on? Going on, Hello. If you have created S equals to hello, then a Python cannot cannot what exactly recognize as it is a wish actually, as it is what exactly wish, right? Good. S equals to something like a boy, something like what exactly boy. Python cannot recognize Python string. I'm sorry, let me tell you, Python string is not that much intelligent enough actually. Python string cannot what exactly recognize as it is human, as it is what exactly human. Sir, but you know what? NLP can recognize. If you say hi, NLP will reply, hello, how are you? You know chatbots, right? You know, I hope actually, right? IRCTC, can we play with sometime? First of all, you should know IRCTC. Then there is a one chatbot you can see actually. Let us play sometime. Yeah, madam is saying namaskar actually. Yeah, good. Here you can, this is called as a chatbot. Good evening, boss. How may I help you today actually? Let us say, hi, good. What is the response we are getting? Hello. Let me tell, good evening. What is this one, sir? Good evening. And apologies, I am not equipped with that information. Good evening. Spelling is correct only right now. Feel free to ask me about. Madam is serious. 1 minute. How are you? It should respond good evening actually. Yeah, I'm good. Very good. Now look at my screen. I'm sorry for getting. Do you think backend person is responding? No, no, no. Backend NLP techniques are responding. By using NLP techniques, we can create a chatbot. We can create what exactly? Chatbot actually. Good. Even if you are using some different language actually, something like you use some different words. Is there any meaning? Now it will tell. Just try to observe here. Apologies. It is telling sorry, I didn't understand. But if you need any information like a PNR status, booking history, these are all things actually. Sir, nowadays these kind of applications are booming like anything. Every company having the text data, every company having what exactly? Every company need chatbot. Every company, sir. Let me tell you, before 1 decade, on an average, 5 to 6 years before actually, if you want, you need to call to the customer care, like a Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, customer care. In other end, humans supposed to respond. But nowadays, exactly. Nowadays, what they done, they kept one agent actually. That is called as a chatbot. Chatbots are responding. Did you understand? Yeah. Bye. We'll say bye actually. Oh, sorry, sir. Let's close this. Good. What we are discussing. Yeah. To recognize either this is the human, this is the wish actually, you should know POS. Parts of speech actually. I mean to say that which is the verb, which is the adjective, these are all things, preposition, these are all things you should aware. NLP can recognize. Sir, I don't know English grammar means don't worry, sir. So even I don't know actually. By using program, you can get these are all things. Good. Let's move on. POS is a topic actually. By using that, each and every word, what is that one? Either it is a noun, adjective, verb, it can extract automatically. This is normally done based on definition and the context actually. We need to install one library. Library name is a text blob. What is that library name? Text blob actually. We'll see. And give me some time. NNS, IN, INN. Don't worry. Would you have a table? What is NNS means? You can go to the table and you can search for that one. NNS. Yes, exactly. This is the noun. This is the noun plural actually. Come on. We'll do one thing. Sir, first one you need to install library. Library name is a text blob. I hope I already installed actually. Yeah, I have installed. Text equals to Daniel is teaching. Now let's apply over on this one actually. Daniel is working and teaching. Hold on. Working and what exactly? Teaching. Sir, if you're printing by using normal Python text actually, sir, normal Python, a string, don't know what is a Daniel, what is his, what is working. These are all things actual. It will just try to print, that's it. Yeah, look at this one. But if you apply NLP technique actually, let me show you how to apply. We need to import text blob. Sir, get ready. I have a question for you. This is the module name. This is what exactly? Class name. Both are same. That is okay. They have defined in such a way that generally they should not give in such a way. but they have given that is okay and accept actually. This is the class name, and this is the module name actually. Sir, class came. What is the next step? Object creation X1, method call. That's it. Apart from that, nothing. We just need to, sir, let me tell you. You guys need to run this one. If you're not running that one, you will get an error. You will get what exactly? Error. That too, in that error, they will be specify, please use this line actually. They will specify, right? This is the supporting. Move on. Let me, I have already taken the same string. Here I wanted to apply actually. Simple, sir. Over this one. I have another question. You can just try to apply text. You can just try to apply what exactly? Text. So we need to create an object for the text blob actually. By using this one, we need to call one thing. I have a question for you. Tell me, is it function or method? That is what exactly? Attribute, please. That's what all previous sessions what we covered, that literally helps. What happened? Okay, good catch. Please observe here. Yeah, first of all, we are getting the list of tuples as a result. What we are getting, sir? List of tuples actually. It is okay. You can just try to take this one. Yeah. Daniel, what is the mapping value? NNP. What is it, Daniel actually? NNP. Is means what exactly, sir? VBG. Working means VBG. And means CC. Hold on. What is the NNP? We have a map actually. And here you can just try to come here. NNP. Sir, this is the noun. This what exactly? I'm sorry, proper noun or something actually. And can somebody talk with me? VBG means what exactly? Talk with me, sir. Yeah, VBG. You can just try to come here. You can cross verify. Exactly. Web actually. It is what exactly? Web. Did you understand? Now I have a very, very important interview question. Let me tell you. I wanted to filter only is working, teaching. Understand my requirement very clearly. I just wanted to print only is I wanted to print, working I wanted to print, next one teaching I wanted to print. How to print? Any idea? Very good. For loop we need to write. Then where are all in a list of tuple, second position, VBG is matching actually. Then we need to print only that word. Are you ready? Can we try? Good. What we can do, from this sentence, we can filter verbs you want, you can filter. Nouns you want, you can filter actually. Let me show you that. First of all, take this example. Come on, let me show you how to do that one. First of all, I have a question. I just wanted to access. Let me try to access tags of 0, sir. Tags of what exactly? 0. If you are accessing tags of 0, what we are getting actually? Daniel and LLP. Good. Yeah, try to observe here. But I wanted to access this position. I want to access what exactly? This position. What we need to do? Come here and here. What I need to provide? Any idea? 1. Very good. Now get ready. We are going to apply the logic actually. Yeah, we got it. Now let us apply the logic. If it is exactly matching to which word, sir? Nice. Very good. Now you can just try to come here. Then only I just wanted to print. What is that one? Output of tags. Output of what exactly? Tags. Now kindly please observe here. Let me even just try to print, text actual. From this text, we are filtering these are all things. Please observe. Daniel is working. Sir, something went wrong. I need your help. Output dot VB tags of 0, 1. Sir, first of all, for loop we need to apply. Am I right or not? What we need to apply? For loop we need to apply. For value in, first of all, let us just try to print this one. And hold on. Let us just try to print this one. Easy, come on. Now let me just try to print value. Let me just try to print what exactly? Value. Come on. Yeah, we are getting all things actually. Good. We are getting these are all things. Now over here you need to apply if logic actually. Good. If the same thing, you can just try to copy paste this. Exactly. Ah, this is the total is the value. Value of what exactly? 0, 1. Value of what we need to provide, any idea? Value of 1 we need to provide. If you didn't understand, nothing is there, sir. Pure Python logic, I'm extracting specific word actually. I'm sure it should work, boss. Yeah, is and what exactly? VBZ. Kindly please spare some time. Let us just try to capture these are all things. Yeah. Let me just try to print what exactly, from this one also, we need to write one more for loop, sir. For again, I in value. Then let us just try to print what exactly, I. You're filtering what exactly? Daniel, NNP. Next one is. Next one is VBZ actually. But let me print this one value. From this all tuple actually, I just wanted to compare NNP. Here it is not NNP, I'm sorry. VBG. Next one is what exactly? VBG. Next one is this one actually. Then here we need to write one more for loop, sir. Instead of this one, let me show you one thing. There is a space library. Here we have one attribute, sir. There we can capture these are all things actually. I will show you 1 minute. Alphabet or not, stop word or not. It will give an idea. Sir, there are some attributes, I'm sure. I didn't remember what exactly the attribute. We can get actually, I'm sure, no doubt in that. Anyway, noun, web, these are all here. It will be very easy. But anyway, let me just try to capture here. The logic should be same. What we need to do? Think logically. Come on. I need your help actually. I just wanted to filter only is. Next one is what exactly? Next one is working. Next one is teaching. How to get this one, sir? Think logically. First of all, we do have every tuple. Tuple having 0 value. Next one is what exactly? 1 value. Tuple having what exactly? 0 value. Next having 1 value. Then let us just try to take the tuple. If value of what exactly, sir? 1, it is matching to, can somebody talk with me? VBG. What is this one? VBG. Then you can just try to print what exactly, sir? Any idea? Print value. That's it. Yeah. Let me just try to print all things actually. I'm sure. Working, teaching. Next one is. Oh, sorry, sir. Yeah, this is the different and this is the different actually. Sir, did you understand first of all? I wanted to print only working and teaching. How to print actually? Yeah, of what exactly? 0. Now let me tell you here, we are writing the logic manually, right? But trust me, there is a one small attribute actually. Call that attribute. These are all things will get automatically. That we can do. Spacey library. What library? NLP technique we can do in a 2 libraries. One is the NLTK. First one is what exactly? NLTK. This is the basic library. Basic library. And next one is a spacey library. This is frankly speaking advanced library, sir. This is frankly speaking what exactly? Advanced library. Are you with me? Good. Then let me just try to implement. I have one more question. Get ready, sir. This is Daniel. Hello, good morning. How are you? How are you? How about preparation? Don't ask that one, Daniel. Yeah. So if I open book, hmm, if I open book actually, I don't know, getting sleeping immediately. Sleeping immediately. Not even 1 minute gap actually. Come on. First of all, let us just try to apply here tags. What is this one? Tag. Sir, this is the fact. Am I right or no? We have to accept. I came from your position only, sir. Let us apply this. Now, str object has a no attributes of tags actually. What is the missing here? Outputs I need to call. Outputs dot tags. Yeah, we are getting these are all words, man. We are getting what exactly? These are all words actually. Let us just try to apply for loop immediately. Let me apply, for tag in something like a tags. Then let me just try to print a tag. What I need to print actually? Tag actually. Come on, look at my screen, everyone. Yeah. Now, what exactly it is doing, sir? NLP technique, each and every word, what is the meaning it is grabbing? That is seriously very good, actually. Good. Hello, NNP, 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 NN actually, NN, NN. Right. I have a question for you. I wanted to filter only this hello, good, morning, how. I wanted to filter only NNP, sir. NNP words actually. How to filter? I need your help. Come on. First of all, take this example. If you understand my previous example, I need your help actually. Come on, tell me. Mallikarjun, tell me what is the code actually? If tag of, yeah, tag of what exactly? One. Double equals to, yeah, NNP. Then what we need to do? Print of tag of 0 or 1. Right. Let me just try to print total actually. We can filter either all NNPs coming or not. Other things also. Perfectly all right, sir. We are filtering like this. Okay. But trust me, instead of writing this log in Spacie library, this is one attribute, man. We can get very quickly. Sir, whenever you're working in a project, I'm sure logic takes time. I'm sure company will give the time actually. Logic to build that logic takes time, but you should have a clear vision. What is input? What is expected output? Many guys will fail. Best example, even my juniors, they're telling output is not coming. But I'm asking, do let me know what is your input and output actually. They are not clear. Be clear everywhere. What is your input, boss? What you're expecting output actually? If you are very clear here, you can apply Python. You can apply Python, you can get logic actually. Right? No, all right, let's move on. And this table you no need to remember. Now take a small breath actually. Conclusion of this story, this table you no need to remember. You no need to remember. Okay? Yeah. This is called as a POS, parts of speech automatically. Now the next one. Sir, one small point, sir. NLTK no one is not using. Nowadays, NLTK is no one is not using. Everyone is using Spacie library. What library? But I'm sorry, I may not directly explain Spacie library. Still, I can explain. Spacie library, you can understand very clearly if you are very good in NLTK. That's what. I'm sorry for saying, other trainers will not cover NLTK actually. They will directly attack Spacie. Please understand these are all fundamentals. Kindly please walk through. And this is not required example for you. Which one is a, preposition, word, these are all things. Next one, information extraction. Information extraction, kindly please observe here. Sir, whenever you're talking about any kind of real-time scenario, if it is a text data, if it is what data? Text data, these are all step-by-step process. What process actually? Step-by-step process. In a machine learning, what all the steps would you have? Importing library, so on to the prediction. The last step is what exactly? Prediction. I know, you know very well actually. You no need to tell. Same thing like that. First, you will get a raw text man. First, you will get what exactly? Raw text actually. From the raw text, you need to apply sentence tokenization. What you need to apply? Next one, word tokenization. Next one is what exactly? Come on, one more time. First one is a raw text. Next one, sentence tokenization. Next one, word tokenization. Next one, POS tagging. POS, what exactly? Why parts of speech tagging required? Because NLP can recognize the context, the meaning of word from POS tag actually. From what exactly, sir? POS tag. Are you getting everyone? Yeah. Next one is the entity detection. What is the next one? Entity detection. Entity detection is also called as a NER, named entity recognition. Mean to say that, let us take a small sentence. In the given sentence, what are all person names would you have? What are all place names would you have? State names, country name, player names. These are all is called as a entity detection. What is this one, sir? Entity detection. That is the second point actually. Come on, one more time. First one is a raw text. Next one, sentence tokenization, word tokenization, POS tagging. Next one here, NER. Repeat one more time. NER means named entity recognition. One more time. Named entity recognition. The last one is a relation extraction. Word to word. What is the relation? He is automatically going or singing some word prediction actually. Word to word having a relationship. Like in a machine learning, first area and rice packets, how these two columns having a relationship. In text data, word to word having a relationship actually. The last one is the recognizing, relation extraction. All right. One more time we can read this one, and there is a use case we are going to do. There is a use case we are going to do. Come on, sir. First one is a raw text, sentence tokenization, word tokenization, POS tagging, NER, also called as a entity detection. I'm sorry. The next one is a relation extraction. Finally, we are going to get a relationship actually. The theory, easy, you can ignore. Information extraction has many applications like a business intelligence, resume harvesting, so media analysis, sentiment detection, patent research. All these applications are using above flow actually, sir. Yeah. So this topic is a very, very simple, and ChatGPT is using this topic in one scenario. ChatGPT backend, there are having a lot of scenarios actually, but one of the scenarios, the topic is this one actually. The topic name is a collocation. What is the topic name? Collocation. Read everyone one more time. Collocation. It is also called as a biograms and triagrams. One more time. Biograms and triagrams. Don't read the definition. I will explain the example. I'm sure you can define the definition. Let me tell you. What is this topic, Nothing is there, sir. Pure Python code. Let me explain the example first. We are importing NLTK. Data science is a totally new kind of learning experience. It is okay. Now, sir, come on, look at my screen. Any idea what we are applying? Yeah, function. What we are applying? Word tokenization. What is this one? Word tokenization. Do one thing for 1 minute. Token in tokens. Sir, same topic in spatial library also you are going to get. Let me check type of token. Or else let me take this is the W, this is the W, this is the T. Let me just try to print here is the T. I will tell you there is a reason. It is okay. It is representing with string only, but in the spacey I can recall one more time. Come on, sir. Whenever you are calling word tokenization, what exactly it is doing, it is splitting like a words. It is splitting like what exactly? Words. Move to the next step. The next step is very simple. Here, by using NLTK, you guys need to call a function. Function name is a biograms. Function name is what exactly? What do you mean by any idea? Two words, okay, two words actually. Oh, you have seen the output actually, I guess. Yeah, good. Biograms and the tokens you need to call here actually. Let me just try to run this. Let us print output. And let me just try to print what exactly, text also let me print, sir. Text also let me print. And let me run this example. Yeah. Sir, as I told you, to find word to word, first word, second word, third word, fourth word, to find relation, this topic will be helpful to backend NLP engines actually. In NLP, there is a topic, the topic name is a engine. First, to whenever you are giving the sentence, what it will apply, what is the sentence actually? Talk with me. Let me run one more time for offline team. Look at my screen. This is disturbing. Data science is a totally new kind of learning experience. One sentence. It is what exactly? One sentence. But when you apply biagram, data science, it became one single tuple actually. It is okay. Next priority, science is exactly. Next one, guess actually, is A. Next one is what exactly? A totally. Like this, it will divide. Then this input, it will pass to the NLP engines actually. Then to find why it is doing, to find the relationship. To find what exactly, sir? Same thing like this, biograms. Biogram means, yeah, trigram means three, three. You can just try to come here. The function is simple actually. Yeah, you can just try to call this one. It may not return, it may be written some output actually. I hope you know why I'm calling this one. Why? Any idea? Best example, map function. Return type is a map object. To see the result, what we need to do? Convert into list. Filter function. Return type is a filter object. To convert into list, what we are calling? List function. What we are calling, sir? List. That's it, man. See, data science is one set of, you know, science is a totally. Now I'm sure you will understand. The first one is the biograms. Second one is triagrams. Come on, look at my screen. Now I will explain actually. Yeah. What is a collocation? Collocation are the pair of the words occurring together many times in a paragraph. So whenever you are writing a paragraphs actually, word to word, what is the relation? It is calculated by the number of those pairs occurring together to the overall word count of the paragraph actually. So ultimately, whenever you're, we have seen previously kind of things, right? And here, how many words occurred actually, count it will apply. So a lot of calculations, sir. You no need to be go through those are all things actually. Being a data scientist, if you are the Gen engineer, you can go actually. You can say that finding collocation requires calculating the frequency of words. Calculating what exactly? Frequency of the words and their appearance in the context of other words actually. Let me ask you a question. If a word repeated many number of times, remember that one, there is a focus actually. There is what exactly? Best example, when you open YouTube, when you open what exactly? YouTube, you will get advertisements. On an average, mostly data science advertisements. What advertisements? I'm getting that. I don't know. You are getting movie advertisements, I guess. Am I right or not, sir? I mean, if anything is repeatedly it is coming, then I'm sure that is a very, very important. That is what exactly, sir? Very, very important. Here also, if the word is repeating, that word is a very, very important. Biograms and diagrams. Trigrams. Collocation can be categorized into two types. Bigram, combination of two words. Trigram, trigram. It's a combination of three words actually. More meaningful. It really provides a more meaningful. Move to the next example. Word net. Sir, This is damn sure interview question. If anyone is asking NLP, first question is this one only. If anyone is trying to asking from NLP, first question is this one only. The topic name is a word net. What is the topic name? We'll continue tomorrow. Right? Fine then. Tomorrow we do have a regular session as usual. The timings are the same. 1 minute, hold on. Hold on. Everyone, 1 minute, sir. Hold on, please. Hold on, please. Online team, hold on. Is it fine if I take till 11:30? Is it fine if I take from 11:30? Is it fine? That too online, not offline. 11:30. I'm sorry. Not night, sir. I'm sorry for getting morning time actually. Morning 11:30. 11:30 to till lunch or else 12:30, 12:45, something like that. Is it okay? Huh? Fine. Then tomorrow the session will be morning 11:30. If anyone is unable to attend, don't worry, I can help you with the recorded session. I can help you with what exactly? Recorded session. Every day I'm getting one punch actually from, yesterday. I laugh. Good, all right. Tomorrow, the session 11:30. I do have a session till 11 actually. I can close that one at Kokotpalli. Then I can log in with 11:30 and I can continue. Is it fine? Yeah. Kindly please follow Google Classroom. Maybe 11 or 11:30 I can confirm. 11 or 11:30 I can confirm. Is it fine? Yeah. Who are all taking recorded session? For us, it will be midnight. Sriram sir, is it fine? Can I help you with the recorded session? Can I help you with recorded session? Thank you, sir. Thank you. All right, man. We done for today's session. Let me upload running notes.